Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Prashwa Asian Vlog. And yes guys, any guesses where we are? We are here in Ayala Malls. This is Circuit Makati and look at this beautiful decoration. So today we attend here the Tree Lightning Christmas. Tree Lightning Christmas. Let's explore more about the Ayala Circuit Makati together. Guys, today I'm going to explore this beautiful, wonderful Christmas tree lighting ceremony here in Ala Malls. This is the Circuit Makati. However, the ceremony was actually at 6 p.m., but we are late. We are not almost late, but yes, we reached here after office long hours. So yes, let's explore this beautiful Christmas lightning together at Ala Circuit Malls. And the view was very mesmerizing. This is the sunset view, and it almost approx 6, and it was too bright, too orangish, too reddish sunset, and I was too fan of this beautiful sunset view. And this is the reason, the next day, like on the next weekend, we also went to the Mall of Asia, I guess. Yeah, Mall of Asia, just to have this beautiful pleasant sunset view. This is a long weekend. Today it's Friday night, so it was overcrowded. You know what I have observed? Like I have visited nowadays, recent days, too many malls. So I noticed that there are many people who visited the different mall. So this is the beautiful view of the Ayala Circuit Mall. However, this is located in the end of the Makati, and this is the huge Christmas tree. You know what mesmerized me a lot? This beautiful sunset view. There is too many colors on the sky, and it was looking like, oh my god, I am looking at very mesmerizing scenery. It's look like a painting. So we are now here on the other entrance of the Ala Circuit Mall, because the tree lighting ceremony was going to be happen here next soon. So yes, enjoy. And Ayala Mall is known for its wide spaces live performance. Everyone is gathered here and waiting for the light Christmas tree lightning Christmas here. So we were also waiting and we were enjoying this beautiful sounds and the live performance. And it is a most awaiting moment for the Filipino, and they waited a long for this festive season. So there are many people who are gathered here just for a tree lighting Christmas decoration and the lighting ceremony. So we were enjoying this beautiful live performance and the beautiful decoration. However, the Ala Circuit Mall has a wide space, and they almost organize the live performance for the audience. And you know what is the specialty? Because most of the Filipino attend and they enjoy this live performance. This is the reason they almost organize the live performance uh, on a weekend. So the countdown is about to begin, guys, and everyone is so excited. Kids are playing, and the people are sitting around the decoration. We are also sitting here on the
show
tree.
community
So it was a
activities
sitting place
happening
here,
across the
and
city
everyone
as
is
welcome
so
this festive
cheerful,
time of the
and they are
year.
enjoying this beautiful
To
live
officially open our
performance.
evening,
And
may we
this
call on the
stage,
AVP of Real
this
Estate
is
for
fully
PRC.
decorated with this shiny light. And this is most awaited moment, guys, is going to be happen in just a few minutes. So everyone is so happy here. Even I am so happy because this is my first time going to be a part of this beautiful tree lightning Christmas ceremony here today at Circuit Makati. And look at this, like the people are gathered here just to have this simple glimpse of the tree lightning
Stay as a
Christmas
Filipino
here.
selector here.
And now it's time to
Somos, we
begin,
officially welcome you
and
this season.
it was too
I invite
excited.
everyone to join us in the
So
countdown. Are we
yes.
ready?
अच्छा उसमें
Are we
डांस
ready? All
All
right, distinguished guests on my cue. Everybody, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Christmas season has officially begun in Circuit Makati.
And I love the moment when the countdown, just about to begin. And yes, like three, two, one, and after that, the lightens up. The Christmas tree lightens up in just 10 seconds, and yes, with the warm lights, with the bright lights, and everyone just put the smile on their faces. Then they started shooting the videos, and everyone was laughing, and they started clapping. This was a beautiful, and I was literally enjoying this moment with my husband, and it was really pleasant moment for me and my husband. All the guests were here on the stage, and they are going to speak more about the Ella and the Circuit Makati. And yes, it was it was too mesmerizing moment with the sunset view. I was literally enjoying with my husband the sunset view and this free lightning Christmas today. And guys, this is my first time I've seen this beautiful tree lightning Christmas. And when the countdown was about to begin, everyone, pull out their phones, and the anchor just they were actually starting gathering all the crowds. So it was too beautiful moment for me. And now it's time to, they are going to organize the Christmas dance and the live song performance. The whole wide space is now lighted with this beautiful bright lights and the smoke and the song, live music, and the place is actually overcrowded. They are just enjoying this beautiful Christmas. So yes, guys, Merry Christmas. So yes, we are heading towards the this bakery shop, which is an, I think, shop wise here in Circuit Makati, because
ये
we
देखो सब
wanted to
बीफ तो नहीं
have
है
something because we are back here from
ये
office.
कच्चा वाला है।
So
ये
इसको हटा
बीफ
these
देना।
are some
एक और
cakes and pastries we ordered, and now it's time to
आपको पता है
have,
ये वाला नहीं है बीफ का
you
ये
better know.
खाली है
So we are too
ये वही
hungry,
है क्या
and we are choosing what we
ले लो
want,
हाँ
because
क्या होगा
I love the chicken most, because I don't eat the bacon and pork, but most of the items here are filled with the toppings are filled with the pork and the beef. So this is the reason I can't eat, and I was looking for something with the chicken pieces, but it was not here. And yet I do not like
ये है क्या
more
समझ में नहीं
sweet
आ रहा है
things, sweet items. So however, Pratik actually wanted to have something sweet and
अच्छा पता
something
है
sour
इसको
and
ऐसे ही
something,
ऐसे
you know
ऐसे कर
salty. But I actually wanted to have a pizza slices here, but the
हाँ
pizza
यार मुझे
slices
कुछ
was available, but the problem is, like, it was the filled with the bacon and the pork pieces, so I don't want to eat.
आ जाएगा
And yes, guys, the prices were so down here. It was a sale here on the Shopwise. So like if you are going to any mall, just do shopping.
फ्रोजन में
It
क्या
is
फीलिंग क्या
too
होती है?
it is too much sale here in every
अरे
corner
यार,
of the mall. Wherever you go, in
छोड़ो, अब मैं नहीं खा
every
रही, लेकिन अब तुमको
outlet,
ही
you
खाना
can
पड़ेगा
find the
एक्सप्लोर अपने
beautiful
मन से ही
sale.
लेना जो भी लेना है।
So
अब मत लो यार,
we
बहुत
actually
ड्रेस है।
ordered many more items here. However, we are Indians and our
मैं
grand
नहीं, तुम अब तुम्हें ही
festival
खाना
is
पड़ेगा।
Diwali. But you know, once you are surrounded by the people, you are actually habitant to that culture. So you know, I
ग्रोसरी
feel
का भी
like
नाम है
okay,
शॉप वाइज।
Christmas is something festival
अच्छा,
for
शॉप वाइज
me
का
as
मतलब पूरा
well.
आउटलेट का ही
So you
नाम है
know,
ना?
we love to celebrate this beautiful Christmas
चलो,
here in the Philippines because we are surrounded by the beautiful people. Everyone is
पानी भी
like
है हमारे
enjoying the
क्या?
Christmas. So we are like, okay, we want to go outside and we want to have a dinner and lunch outside because it's a Christmas time. It's a holiday season. So this is a vibe actually built in me and my husband also. So this is the reason we started going outside and hang out with my friends and
ठीक है,
family
ठीक है।
nowadays.
चलो,
We have
ठीक
been there in
है।
Moa and Venice Mall. So I will
ये
upload
है
the
क्या?
video
हाँ
soon.
यार।
So, you know, I like the most to travel here and there. I actually wanted to visit all over the Philippines, south, north, east to west. Every pole actually I want to visit. We ordered too many items, but you know, I didn't like any one item because there was something, I don't know what was that on the top of the
इसके
this
अंदर क्या है?
bread, but I didn't like, to be very frank. But yeah, there was I think cheese is topping. I like that, but on the top of the bread there was something, I don't know. It what was that? It was in a brown or like long, what we can say, I don't know. So yeah, however I enjoyed because I'm sitting with my husband, so how can I say okay I don't like that? Because I was hungry on the other hand. So I gave him that you can enjoy this bread because I don't like this bread. However, I don't want to have something sweet, you know. So he was insisting, just have, just have. And I'm like, okay, I don't want because it
अरे
is
मुझे मन
too
नहीं कर रहा है,
sweet.
सही बता रही हूँ।
However, I don't love to drink like Coca-Cola or 7-Up or any drink. But we ordered because I wanted to change my taste. So now I'm drinking this Coca-Cola. I think this is a new flavor here in the market arrive of Coca-Cola. Now guys, we are done and yes, we are going to explore more about the Ala malls. So like if you are looking for something bakery or pastry items, so here you can visit. They are actually giving you the offer and discount on breads. It was like home cooked wheat bread, wheat flour bread. It was only 80 peso. So this is so amazing. They are giving a huge discount on the bread and pastry item. So yes, come and visit. You know what's Pratik habit? Once he actually had this bakery items, he always checked the expiry and manufacturing date. So he was checking the manufacturing expiry date. Might be this is one of the reason they are selling it on the sale. So he was checking however the manufacturing expiry date, it was under the date,
ऊपर वाली में लग रहा है कि
but he
ऊपर वाला
always
वाला है।
checked. However, on the other hand, I always forget to check the expiry and the manufacturing date. So I'm so lazy. Even when I actually bought the bread for my actually breakfast, I always forget to check it is under the expiry date or not. So he always like, okay, why don't you check the bakery items? And you know, I was not full, so we wanted to go outside because this is Shopwise. This bakery shop is available in the Shopwise, so we
जहाँ
wanted
नया
to
वहीं
go
रहता है।
outside just to have something new and what else we can eat here. So yes, we are going outside and for the next dishes.
मीठा नहीं
So
खाना है,
we are
बहुत मीठा
outside this
खाना है।
shop wise, and this is a grocery and the bakery shopping here. And you can grab the sale and discount item here. Even in the front of the shop wise, you can also grab the discounted item here under the shop 50. There was an open window shop of the shop
This is so
only.
romanticizing place. Here you can hang out with your friends and family. And yes, this is the football court, but it isn't too dark. And yes, this is the foot and body massage. Yeah, there is also pet grooming service. So like if you come here with your pets, so you can actually give a beautiful experience and a wonderful experience to your pet. So I am here on the top floor of the Circuit Makati. This is the open roof, and I'm actually heading towards the end of the Circuit Makati because I want to explore. This is actually the by the side of river. I think this is the Pasai River. So yes, let's see how does it look. It's so dark, so it is not visible as much that I can shoot something in my phone, and there's a construction ongoing. So yes, I can show you something very interesting here. But yeah, look at this. This is under construction, this park is, and this is the exit of the Circuit Mall. This is, you can say, like another entrance, and this is the beautiful green street. This is so broad street here, you can see, and this is the foot. This is a football court actually, and yes, the view is actually amazing. The view and the ambience so amazing, and the place is actually for the people who walk a lot. And this is also, this is a racing, actually racing court. So this is a car racing court also. So yes, I'm going to downstairs to know more about the place. Yes, guys, I'm standing here, and yes, I told you like this view is so amazing, and I like this view so much because here you can actually enjoy your coffee with your partner or with a friend. So yes, look at this beautiful view. And you know, there's a sound actually coming from this water, and something music playing, and the view is actually amazing. So yes, let's start the another favorite spot here in Circuit Makati with me. So I'm going downstairs just to know more about the Circuit Mall, and yes, I'm here at the end of the Circuit Makati. And you know, my husband is actually waiting for me, so he is sitting there. So yes, look at this beautiful, amazing view. No guys, I wanted to share a story with you. Like this is behind me, this is a tap station. So I have been there with my colleague and with my partner. So it is so fun here to have a beer with your choice. Whatever choice you want to pick, you can. And it's so affordable. You can actually enjoy the flavor of the beer. And this is so amazing. It is actually based on different thing. So yeah, so if you visit here in Makati, so if you're planning to visit here, Circuit Makati, you must visit this place. This is the another favorite spot here. Many people are enjoying the family and kids. So look at this beautiful view behind me, and it is full of warm lights, and yes, here you can also find this water side. So yes, you can enjoy, you can dance, you can play, you can meditation, you can do meditation here. So yes, let's go to the another place. What else La Circuit Makati has? Let's explore together. So there's a shrimp bucket also. There's many more things actually to explore.
Pratik told me that he wanted to have the dinner here in Indian restaurant. So we are heading towards the Indian restaurant. If you enjoyed this vlog, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. And yes, Merry Christmas. Bye. Keep watching my next travel vlog. Bye.